2025 Maruti Suzuki Baleno is here, redefining the premium hatchback segment with its enhanced design, improved performance, and cutting-edge technology. Known for its reliability and versatility, the Baleno has always been a favorite among Indian car enthusiasts. This latest iteration aims to strengthen its position by offering a comprehensive package of style, comfort, and efficiency. Stylish and aerodynamic design. The new Baleno boasts a striking and aerodynamic design. Its bold front grille, sleek LED headlamps, and sporty bumper create a dynamic and modern look. The refined body contours and sharp character lines give it a more premium appeal, while the redesigned alloy wheels add a sporty touch. The 2025 Baleno is available in a range of vibrant color options, ensuring there's a shade for every personality. Upgraded interior and comfort features. 8. Step inside the 2025 Baleno and you're greeted with a spacious and sophisticated cabin. The dual-tone interior design, premium upholstery, and soft-touched materials elevate the overall ambiance. The ergonomic layout ensures maximum comfort for both driver and passengers. Key features include a larger 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a fully digital instrument cluster, and an advanced climate control system. The ample boot space and versatile seating configuration make it perfect for both city drives and long journeys. Enhanced performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 Baleno is powered by a refined 1.2-liter K-Series dual-jet petrol engine, delivering an excellent balance of power and fuel efficiency. It's paired with a smooth 5-speed manual or an optional CVT gearbox for effortless driving. Additionally, Maruti Suzuki has introduced a mild hybrid variant for even better fuel economy, making it an eco-friendly choice without compromising on performance. The improved suspension setup ensures a smoother ride, even on rough roads. Cutting-edge technology and safety. The 2025 Baleno comes equipped with state-of-the-art technology to enhance convenience and safety. It features connected car technology, allowing users to access vehicle stats, control features remotely, and navigate with real-time updates. On the safety front, the car is packed with advanced features like 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and a 360-degree camera system. Maruti Suzuki's Hatchback platform provides a robust and lightweight structure, ensuring top-notch crash safety. Affordable and value-for-money pricing. Maruti Suzuki has priced the 2025 Baleno competitively, making it an excellent value-for-money proposition. With a wide range of variants catering to different budgets and preferences, the Baleno continues to appeal to a broad spectrum of customers. Its affordable maintenance costs and extensive service network further add to its appeal. Conclusion. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Baleno is a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. With its stylish design, advanced features, and impressive performance, the Baleno remains a top contender in the premium hatchback segment. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking for an upgrade, the Baleno is sure to exceed your expectations.